Hi everyone, Anita here from Sightless Living. Today I am going to make a good burger.
In yellow text, copyright symbol, Sightless Living 2021-2023 all content. All rights reserved. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.
I have some fresh lamb meat here, and this is ground lamb shoulder. Now sometimes you need a little heme iron. We don't eat much red meat around here, but since the lamb was on sale and it's very expensive, I took advantage of the sale. So I'm going to take the lamb, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of mint. I like fresh mint, but our store didn't have it, so I'm using the dried seasoning. I have a small onion here, which I grated, so I'm going to add that. I have one plastic disposable food grade gloves. I forget to mention that because I use them so often, but I'm sure you hear the plastic. That's me doing my hands. So I use that. So I got the onion in there. Then I have 3 garlic cloves. So I'm gonna add that in there. Okay, I'm scooping it out of the little prep bowls I put them in. I grate and chop and do all that myself. I just didn't want to do it on camera, taking up time. And then I have, let's see, what was this? This is coriander. This is 3 teaspoons. So I'm putting that in there. And then I have a teaspoon of mustard. Let me sit this inside of my used bowls. I have a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Having a moment here. So I'm banging that in the bowl. Okay, now I am going to take it and mix it with my hands. And you don't want to work too much with your ground meats. And this goes for beef too, because it's already lean and it could come out firm and dry. So I'm going to mix this around. And it smells great, the mint. So usually I just incorporate it. And then I'm going to make a sauce to go with it. So I have mixed this in, and I'm going to put some saran wrap over my bowl and put it in the refrigerator while I make the sauce. Then I will form the patties. This should make about 4 patties, a pound of meat. And then we'll bring them to the stove and cook them. So there I have a bowl. It's somewhat incorporated, but that's good enough for it to sit while I get the sauce ready. And then I'll be back. I'm back. I have a small bowl here, small metal bowl. I have my disposable food grade plastic gloves on. And I have the ingredients for the sauce. So we're going to start with 8 tablespoons of mayo. I like to have my ingredients in the bowls. A lot of things I make are from recipes because I get tired of eating the same thing. So I like to look in my recipe books and discover new meals. Okay, so I think I got most of that out. Then we have 1 tablespoon of parsley. I have 1 tablespoon of dill. Two cloves of garlic, which is minced. I minced it up, just like the 3 in the meat. I think I just said garlic. That is also minced. This recipe takes a total of 5 cloves of garlic. And garlic is good for you. It has healthful properties. So I got that out the bowl. And this is, let me feel my spoon. That is the pinch of paprika. Okay, got that added. Set my stuff here. All my bowls, let me put them inside each other. Give myself more room. That's all done. And now I'm going to take the gloves off because I'm going to stir it with a spoon. I'm taking them off over the table, not the food. And putting them inside each other, so I turn it inside out. Now I pick up the spoon, and now I'm going to incorporate the ingredients into the mayo. And then this is going to go in the fridge. And then this is so anyone can have tomato, lettuce. You can make a real burger. No cheese. And just mix it around good, incorporate it. And you can see in the bowl, I'm holding it to the camera. And just stirring and mixing stuff around. And then I'll put some saran wrap on this bowl, put it in the fridge while I slap the patties in the fry pan. Now I am only going to make 2 burger patties for this video. I think that should be fairly incorporated. And I'm spinning the bowl as I wipe the side of the bowl with the spoon, tapping in the middle at the bottom to kind of incorporate everything. So, all done. I am now going to put this in the fridge with saran wrap, grab the burgers, and the meat at the fry pan. Prior to preparing the lamb burgers, we did some sauteed kale in the fry pan with a little EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, and then added a little garlic powder and onion powder. So I have the fry pan here. I can feel the heat. What I did was took the meat, divided it into 4 balls. I have on my food grade plastic gloves. I have a ball of meat here. I am going to flatten it. And I'm trying to shape it. I'm pressing in the edges, going around. And then I'm going to put a dimple in the middle. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I hope I'm in the middle. Don't know. I have another ball of meat here. I don't want to handle it too much. And I'm shaping it, I'm flattening it, and going around the sides. I'm going to put a little dimple in the center. Now I'm going to drop it in the fry pan. I got another one here. Let's see, maybe I'll put it over here. And I'll go get my spatula. You can feel where it is. There's the other one. I like to put dimples in it so they don't turn into buttons. Now that I dropped the 2 in there, I'm going to take off my gloves and go grab the spatula in the few. So I just want to tell you a little bit about it. I have some sliced onion that I'll put in once the meat is a little more done or cooked, browned, at least until I flip it over so I don't contaminate the onions, because I don't want to have those sauteing on raw food. So I'll wait till I flip them over, and then I will start sauteing onions. Let me get my spatula. So I have my spatula. And I'll just let them fry a little bit. There's some olive oil coating the pan. Flip it over. Let me break my own rule here and knock on the pan. They smell great. When these burgers get up to temperature, I am going to get my buns out of the oven. I have them in there warming. Usually we do this on the grill, then you can toast your buns right on the grill, but this is not the time of year for grilling. Although we grill year round, we have a storm brewing, so we don't want to be out there. So I'll be back. I have my thermometer here, and I'm going to stick meat and press my center button here.
129.4 degrees Fahrenheit.
I want 145 without touching the pan. Okay, 140, that has a little ways to go, not far. I need 145. And then they carry over cooked, so I don't want to get it too done. And when I stick it in the meat, I'm not going all the way to the pan. I'm trying to get the meat temperature, not the pan.
140.5 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's 140, that's good. See, it's all different temperatures in the meat. 142. Maybe I'll move it around in the pan. Let me see, catch this one over here. I don't want them like rubber.
144.7.
That's almost there. This is 144.7. I could actually take this out because it will carry over cook. Maybe I'll move it around a little. What I'm doing is sticking the thermometer in different parts of each patty. That's okay at the edges, but when I go to the center, it's not quite done yet. The edge is done. It's at temperature. The part in the middle is not quite done yet. Yeah, let it go a little bit more. Okay, that one's good. Okay, that's good too. So I'm going to serve up the lamb burger with some sauteed kale. Be back. Here is the plated lamb burger and the sauteed kale greens. The kale greens are on the left and the burger is on the right. I've taken the bun off. So those of you who can see the wonderful sauce we made earlier. And I have the sauteed onion sitting on the burger. Bon appetit! I'm back for a little review of the meal. The lamb burger was excellent. It was very fresh. I was pleasantly surprised the lamb didn't taste gamey. Usually the stores around here have the gamey lamb, but this was very fresh and wonderful. It was almost close to a regular burger. So the next time they have a sale, I will partake in it. All in all, the meal was a success, and I feel it could be served for lunch or dinner. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.
Scene changes. Rolling credits appear in yellow colored text scrolling upward from the bottom of the screen. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary. Mountain Air Videography, TM symbol, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.